Hello Samayas, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss how to resolve this issue cvc-elt.1.a cannot find the declaration of an element project. This will be the second method to solve this issue. In the previous video we would have seen how to solve this particular issue, gave HTTPS to all the categories in the pom.xml in the project. So it worked. Now we'll see a second issue. Okay, for that guys, click on the window, click on preferences. So once you click on preference, you'll get one window. So this is the window you'll get, preferences window, where is general and Gradle, help, install, Maven is there. Just click on Maven, this one, click on it. Once you click on Maven, you have download artifact sources, download artifact Java doc, download, update, main projects, a number of things. Just enable this particular checkbox. Enable download artifact Java doc. Click on it, click on apply, apply, apply and close. Now you can see, so now you can see the error is resolved. Hope you have liked the video guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then guys, take care, have a great day, bye bye.